Hello everybody and welcome to today's fun unboxing. For today I got my tickets for the EDC, the Electric Daisy Carnival Music Festival in Las Vegas, Nevada.
You do?
Oh. I'll be going there later this month, so please check out my videos. I'll also be checking out some of the food in Las Vegas, even places like Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
So please stay tuned for that. Now let's get on with our unboxing of the EDC Electric Daisy Carnival ticket box. So here is the outer box that says, all are welcome here. After you remove the slip, however, you get this sort of psychedelic book. And when you open it up, there's different compartments. I guess this year's theme is Kinetic Awakening. And on this side, my favorite part is this beautiful pop-up, this psychedelic eyes with the EDC logo. I'm really glad they did something extra to make this a special keepsake. As you open up the middle chamber, we have all of our goodies. This is a blind for your eyes. And this was the sticker bag. I know that they said they were going to give us more stickers when they got there because the owner wasn't happy with these. Nocturnal Wonderland. It looks like these are just stickers for the other Insomniac events that they host. Bard. Day Trip. Zombieland Apocalypse. I never heard of that. Rube, I don't know what that says. Insomniac with a house on fire. Escape Halloween. BaseCon. Insomniac Records. Dream State. Countdown, I like that. And Bass Rush. Beyond Wonderland, that's interesting. And two EDC stickers, one with a glittery green planet spots on it. This is my GA Plus bracelet. It has special red glitter. Ooh. Nice and glittery with eyeballs. This gives me expedited entry in air-conditioned bathrooms. Experience Plus. Look at that. This is the Insomniac keychain of a house on fire, and in the back are people dancing. I kind of wish the design was different, but it's okay. And these are two glittery patches. Look at that. It's so glittery. Oh, is it glittery? Inside it says, wide awake under the electric sky. That's cute. And then over here, we have a little book. Inside it explains the Electric Daisy Carnival, how the community works. Everybody wears mushrooms on their head, I guess. Then it goes through the different stages and explains to you the type of music that you'll be hearing as you go through those stages. And also there's just photos from the musical event itself. Circuit grounds, neon garden. Wasteland.
What? Oh no.
Don't get wasted.
There is a colonial woman on the wing. It's a woman on the wing. I saw her. There is something they're not telling us.
Right.
Stereo Bloom. Bionic Jungle. Downtown EDC. And Camp EDC, where people are naked for no reason whatsoever. So that is the festival book. Remember when you go to dance and have a good time,
And I'm ready to party!
stick up for yourself,
This should be open because it's civil rights. This is the 90s.
Right. It's not. You're in the wrong decade.
You are.
and set yourself free.
And I'm gonna go down to the river!
So that's my review of the Electric Daisy Carnival ticket box for 2023. Please hit that like and subscribe. I'll be bringing you more fun and entertaining content from EDC and Las Vegas, including food. See you next time. Bye-bye.